Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, beautiful looking star bread. So stay tuned. In here, I have all the ingredients I need for the bread dough. So check the description box below for the full list of these ingredients. So I will start by pouring the milk in the mixing bowl. To it, I will add the sugar, the yeast, and give it a quick stir. Now I'll add the egg as well. Then the melted butter. Give them a quick stir until they are well combined. So now I have the all-purpose flour here. I will add the salt to it and stir them well. Then turn them into the yeast mixture. Now I'll mix them all together to form a dough. I will transfer it to the work surface in order to knead the bread dough. Now I start the kneading process. I will knead this dough for about 6 minutes until it is soft and elastic. Now after that, I'll form a ball with the dough. Now I have a clean dry mixing bowl. I'm going to grease it with the melted butter, then transfer the dough to it. I will now cover it with a plastic wrap because we are going to proof this bread dough. So I will cover it with plastic wrap and transfer it to a warm place. Leave it for about 45 minutes until it is double in size. But 5 minutes later, here is the dough. I punch to release the air from the dough. Here is chocolate drink powder. I'm going to use this spoon to scoop it. It is time for me to shape this dough to form that beautiful, delicious star bread. So watch me as I proceed. I continue by flattening the dough. Flat it round. Then I'll cut it into 4 equal sides. With the plastic wrap, I have to cover the dough so that it will not dry. I take it one after the other and form a ball shape. With the help of my rolling pin, I'm going to flat this dough in a round shape. Flat it very thin, like so. Let me use this opportunity to thank you all that are watching my video. I appreciate you all for stopping by. Thank you so much. Without you, there won't be anything like Chiommy Creative Kitchen. God bless you. If you're new here, consider to press that red button. Subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. After watching this video, if you like it, don't hesitate to give me thumbs up and God will bless you. I will repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. In here, I have chocolate drink powder. You can use cinnamon and sugar mixed together or Nutella. It is up to you. I prefer using this chocolate drink powder because my children likes it a lot. So I will use it to fill in like so. So keep watching and see how I lay the dough one after the other. I repeat the same process with the rest. So finally we have 4 layers. What I'm trying to do is to make sure that they are equal in size. And I use my hand to flat it a little bit more. As you can see, I'm using my fingertip to seal up the edge. In here I have cookie cutter. I want to use this round cookie cutter to measure out the center of the dough. So I'll give it a mark, but don't press it hard. Okay? Now watch me and see how I give it that star shape. Keep watching. So watch out. I take 2 layers like this and twist them 2 times. The third one, I seal up the edge and bend it a little bit to shape that very point, like a star. You know what I mean? As you can see, I've already finished shaping it, giving it a point like a star. Now I'm going to apply the cooking oil. You can use cooking oil. I'm using cooking spray here. But if you don't have cooking spray, you can make use of your cooking oil. Cover it with the plastic wrap and leave it in a warm place for the final proof for about 30 minutes, okay? "30 minutes later, here is the bread. It's already looking yummy, double in size. I'm going to apply the egg wash on it. It's 1 egg and a little bit of milk. Give it a quick stir. With the help of my pastry brush, I'm going to apply this egg wash on it, like so. After that, I'll transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 20 minutes at 250 degrees centigrade. As you can see, the star bread is finally baked. I'm going to apply the melted butter on it while I leave it to cool. My dear, this is so beautiful. Not only beautiful, it is really yummy. Oh my lovelies, I must tell you, this bread is really delicious. Not only delicious, it's very, very beautiful. Thank you so much for staying around and watch the video to the end. Don't forget to give me my thumbs up. Share my video with your friends and family. Give it a try at home. I promise you, your family will really enjoy it that day. God bless you and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.